Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I just came back from Target and I bought 4 different slimes, but I would say 6 because one of them has 3. So yeah. So please subscribe to this channel, press the notification bell so you know every time we get a video, share this with your friends, and also like this video, and then yeah, and comment down below what other videos you guys want me or and my family to do. So let's just get started. So the first slime we're going to be doing is this. I would say it's a amazing slime, but I feel like it'd be more like a putty. So here it is. It's a It's called Amazing Slime, and it is from Target. Like I said, all of this is from Target. So here it is. Here's the back. So let's just open it. So right there is a plastic thing on all of these slimes, but I already took it off. So the first thing you feel is this hard plastic thing. So I guess it doesn't dry out. Oh, so it's so glossy. And it definitely is a putty. It's not a slime, but it feels so good. And it's not stretchy, but I still think it's really nice. I would definitely get this for somebody for Valentine's Day. I enjoy it. The only downside is it kind of gets glitter all over your hands since it's a putty. So let's just go ahead and do some ASMR. I'm like struggling here. And this is the only one that is not a Nickelodeon slime. So now we are going to put it back in here. I really like it. Okay, so that was a good slime, and I will be rating them. I would rate this to a 1 to a 10. It would be like a 4.5. So the next slime is this Nickelodeon Fun Scented Waha Watermelon. And right when you open it, let's see what's there. So it's really pretty. It has some black beads. And there is some, what you call it? Oh, there's a plastic thing, and I can't get off, so I have a butter knife to just stab it. And it is really filled up to the top, so that's a really good sign. Like, it is all the way filled up. So, oh my goodness, this smells like something in your Scentsy, Mom. You're gonna have to smell this. So these beads are more like Orbeez, but not grown. Trying to get it all off the thing. Plastic wrap thing. Tin foil, I don't know. Okay, let's get that out. Smells so good. Seriously. I didn't expect it to smell this good. And I could smell it right when I opened it. So that is fantastic. Okay, so I'm gonna roll up my sleeves for this one. Okay. So now we're just going to take it out in the, whoa. Sorry guys. My thing is not working today. Okay. So here's like the little piece I already got off. Super nice. So here's like the beads part. So I'm just gonna take it all out. Ugh. So there's like these chunks of something. What is this? Jelly cube. It's a jelly cube slime. Oh my gosh. And there's actual jelly cube slime. Oh my gosh. And I am so sorry about the background noise. Just my parents. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, so this is a slime, but it also feels like a putty at the same time, so I mean, don't know. But the thing I cannot get over is the scent. It's the best thing ever. And sorry about my brother, he's just right in front of me, playing with his toys. And there's a lot in here too. And I don't know how much this was, I forgot, but yeah. So now I will just be showing you slime. So it's really pokey and the color is so pretty. And I love the jelly cubes in it. It's not that stretchy. It's kind of disappointing. And like these pop. Oh. These aren't popping too well. Are these even jelly cubes? Yeah, they are. Well, it's okay. But here's the slime. I would rate it a to 1 to 10. I would rate it a 6.5. Just because it's not that stretchy. But other than that, it's really good slime. So there was that. And then I got a cotton candy one too. So we're just gonna open that, and of course it has the thing, and it's like an avalanche slime. It has pink and blue in it. Of course it has blue because that's really all the color. And then it has these like little beads in it, which I think is really cool. Peel that off. Easy and simple. Okay. So here it is. This one feels a lot more slimy than the other one. So I'm really excited. Whoa, shot out at me. So let's just get off all the slime. Okay, it's so pretty. It's not coming out too much. Sorry about that. Hayden. I'm trying to get it all out. The only really downside to these slimes is it sticks so much to the containers. Don't know why. It's just something it does. There's still a bunch more in there, but I can't get it out because of the slime. Now this is going to turn into a purple slime because pink and blue make purple. So that's all I could get. That's all I could get out. Let me just close this one. It doesn't close all the way. Look how pretty this is, Mom. So here it is. Now this has some foam beads in it. And it's not stretchy either. Oh, well, there you go, people. It is stretchy. You gotta stretch it kind of slow. But other than that, it's really nice. It doesn't really smell like cotton candy. It smells more like a Victoria's Secret lotion. But, yeah. So I actually do really like this one. So glossy. So, and they do kind of make fun of it. The other one didn't, but this one does. And this is probably what they meant by crazy cotton candy. It's crazy. And then our very last slime, the biggest slime of them all, are Jumbo Nickelodeon slime. So this is a 3-toned. It's purple, teal, and pink. So yeah. So this was like $10. It was $9.99 plus tax. I think, yeah. And then it does have the seal on it. So we will be taking that off now. So, I was really excited to get this one. The other combo was ugly. Sorry, it was. And this does not say it's scented. So, let me just get all that stuff. So there's 3 things of each color. So first we are going to play with lavender. These are normally super duper stretchy, so I'm not worried about these. It's just ripping out because I'm ripping it. Oh, there we go. These are normally super duper stretchy, so now let's put the cap on the other slimes. And if I have to, I will do a makeover. I wonder why they're not so stretchy, because the one I have is so stretchy, and it's the exact same one, but it's not the 3-tone. It's one color. So I would definitely recommend getting all these slimes, just maybe not so much the heart, but and the last one I would rate it a, sorry, I forgot to rate it. The last one I would rate maybe an 8.5. So, yeah. So here's that slime. So here's the lavender. It's a very pretty color. So now, and it's kind of hard to, well, it's not too difficult to get back in the container, but it's not so easy. Okay, now we're gonna go to the pink, the hot pink. I feel like they're gonna be stretchier than others. Like this pink one is super stretchy, and I'm just getting it out. Oh my gosh, that color is amazing. It's so glossy. That's what I love about it. You have to stretch these really slow, or they won't stretch, but that's still good. Like, still stretches. So this is definitely very pretty. So now our final and last will be, oh, and before we go to that one, I just want to let you know, when you guys buy this, it will all be separated, because it has these like little things right here, so it'll be separated. So now to the last one will be this teal, which seems to be middle. Like, I feel like the lavender was the least, pink was the first, and this might be the second. So this color is pretty. It's dark but pretty. It goes fantastic with the color combo. So yeah. So all these slimes, I would rate it a, so on the big one, I would rate it a 10, because you get 3 slimes and it's 3 pounds. Amazing. So 10, I would rate this one the watermelon, a 6.5, a 8.5, and like a 4 or a 5. So now we're just gonna put the slime in. Oh. But they are kind of difficult to get back into the container, which is kind of sad. And whenever you're trying to get the middle one back in, it kind of does mix. Like the purple kind of got a little bit into my green, but like that's like nothing. So I would definitely recommend these slimes, super glossy too. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And my next video will be ASMR. So peace and thank you for watching.